Hey there, entrepreneurs and business owners. Welcome back to the Tutorial Lab, where we make your tech journey easier. Today, we're going to unlock the key to getting your business noticed online by setting up your Google My Business profile. This is a game changer if you want customers to find your business on Google and Google Maps. But before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more tips and tutorials to boost your business. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Now, let's get started. Introduction to Google My Business. What is Google My Business, and why should you care? Google My Business, or GMB for short, is a free tool that allows you to create a listing for your business on Google and Google Maps. With millions of people searching for businesses like yours every day, having your business on Google can seriously boost your visibility and attract more customers. And the best part, you're in full control of how your business appears on Google. So let's jump into the setup process step by step. Step 1. Head to business.google.com. Once there, sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create a free Google account first. After signing in, you'll be prompted to add your business name. This is super important because it's how customers will search for you, so make sure it's accurate. Once you've entered your business name, click Next. Easy, right?
Select business category.
Now, choose your business category. This helps Google understand what your business is about and shows your profile to people searching for related services. Be as specific as possible here. For example, if you're a coffee shop, select coffee shop instead of just restaurant. Step 3. Add your location. If you have a physical store or office, enter your address here. This allows your business to show up on Google Maps. But if you don't have a physical location and only provide services online or at customers' locations, simply select the option to hide your address. Step 4. Add your contact details like phone number and website so potential customers can easily reach you. If you don't have a website, don't worry. You can still create a Google website for free later.
If you want to create a free Google website, watch this video from the I button or watch it from the end screen of this video. If you want to create a professional website in low budget, you can contact me. Here you need to add some more information based on your business, like your services, your business hour, business description, service area, photo and videos of your bootiness. Fill up all the information carefully.
And Google will prompt you to verify your business. This is a super important step because it confirms that your business is real. Google will usually send you a postcard with a verification code to your business address, which takes about 5 days. Once you receive the postcard, enter the code in your account, and voila, your business is live on Google. Now that your business is listed, let's talk about optimizing your profile to attract even more customers. Make sure you add high-quality photos of your products, store, or services. Businesses with photos get more clicks and customers. Also, update your business hours, respond to customer reviews, and use posts to share updates or promotions. Bonus tips. Here's a quick bonus tip. Google My Business isn't just about showing up in search results. It's also about engaging with your audience. Respond to reviews, answer questions, and keep your information up to date. The more active you are, the more likely Google will rank your business higher. And that's it. You now know how to list your business on Google using Google My Business. This is a huge step towards growing your online presence and attracting more local customers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below with any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.